all are doing great. Today we will learn to make some creative products or things out of recycle. Today we are going to make a CD cycle out of the CDs that we do not use anymore, so we can bring them into utilization, some purposeful. So for this we'll be needing some popsicles, straws, CDs, few cutouts to cover the backside of the CD, some marshmallows, these are easily available at your home, glue stick. So let's start. We are going to paste this cutout like this on the back side of the CD to have a nice overall look of our cycle. Paste it like this. So two wheels of the cycles are ready we have. Now we are going to join our cycle with the help of these popsicles. So what we can do is we are going to join with the help of popsicle. First we will make an M-shaped popsicle. Look, we're writing M this way, and this. Fine, you get a shape of M like this. Now glue the one edge of the cycle and paste it like this. Take another, glue it, glue both the edges and put it to place the other end here on the CD. Like this. Look. Now take another popsicle, overlap the other edge over this, like this. Now take another, like this. Paste it well and let it dry. When you are done with this, now we are going to join the upper part of the cycle like this. Take a glue, and paste it over the top like this. We are done till here. Next step, take a handle of a cycle popsicle. We are going to make a handle of this like this. Fine. So first we are going to take two marshmallows and we are going to insert like this on the edges to give it a look of handles. Like you can see in my cycle, I have given this. Now take a glue in the middle and keep it in the middle. Keep it for 1 to 2 seconds so you can hold the grip like this. Now its handle is done. Next step is we are going to put the seat onto it. Glue it. This is a marshmallow, but you can make it with these Play-Doh. Look, I have made it with the help of Play-Doh. The seat like this. Paste it well. Now here on On the lower side of the cycle and this wheel, we are going to paste a straw, giving it a look of a stand, just to make your cycle stand. Fine. Now take the cycle at the back, just to give it a support. We are going to paste the popsicle. We are going to make it stand. We are going to paste 2 popsicles at the back of the wheels like this. We are almost done. And ta-da! The cycle is ready. Your cycle will look like this. From the back side, we took 1 popsicle and we had made 2 halves just to give the support